Hello guys, welcome to new unboxing video. This one is special because it's kinda new series, because we are not unboxing items from games or from movies, from TV shows, but this time we are opening box with food. Of course, food. So guys, let's go dig into love with food. So, as far as I understand, this is a good stuff. Probably something, well, it's basically snacks from all around the world, I guess, or something like that. I'm not pretty sure what exactly it is yet, but it's basically snack box with different items. There are vegetarians, gluten-free, and stuff like that. But I don't think it's like all like bad for your health or all good for your health. I actually don't know. We will find out. But with my first box, small complaint, it took a really long time to get mine. I got it before I'm making the video, actually a few weeks. I'm sorry for that. But it actually, as far as I understand, it's September's box, but I got it in October, and like 1 or 2 weeks after the last deadline. So, small complaint. But it came. It could be a problem also on my side, I guess, not my personally, but on side of my check post or something like that. So I don't know. But let's go dig inside. So the box looks well. It's not Lootcrate box, right? But this is different. Like it has different importance or meaning. It's just box, and it has nice design, I would say. This is the deluxe version. Also, I think I got it with some drinks. So yeah, this is deluxe version, and the box is nice. It's actually pretty big, and when you open it up, it looks like this. So pretty cool. And they say that for every box you donate, they donate meals to food bank. So actually it's kind of like a charity thingy, like humble bundle kind of, I would say. So that's really nice. That's really nice. And I have never had food loot box, so I just wanted to try it. So yeah, so let's dig inside. So first thing we have here is coconut chips. It looks like this. It says hungry. Definitely I'm hungry. So it doesn't have so much fat, but doesn't have so much protein, but it has some vitamins, so that's cool. So it's not that bad, I guess. So let's open it up, and oh, actually looks very interesting. Okay. Interesting. It's actually good. Like, I mean, really good. It's nice. It definitely isn't like, I would say, bad chips, you know? And you definitely feel the coconut there. So that's nice. It's good. It's good. Like it. So, next. This is I can't drink it yet, but I think this is the drink thingy. So it's high protein smoothie mix, which it's great. I actually using Herbalife products, so yeah. I hope this is actually better. Oh, high protein, a lot, very low fat. Nice. Doesn't have much calories. That's nice. Definitely looks nice. I wonder if you can get this stuff from somewhere. I have to dig this information. Like if you enjoy something, can you actually get it somewhere? I don't know. So now we have Welsh fruit rolls. Looks yummy. This one is strawberry. So let's get inside. Ooh, okay. So it looks like this. Haha. All right. Let's taste it a little bit. Okay. Oh. Good. It's good. I don't like strawberry products that much. I like strawberry, of course. I like strawberry. Everyone does, but yeah, it's good. Interesting. Unroll the fun and share the goodness. That's the motto of there. Okay, now we have, I think, something not that great, right, for your health. It's tubes, or I don't know how you call it, creme de purine, and it's cream-filled wafers. So let's open and taste the waffles. Not waffles. Wafers. Okay. Yeah. A standard wafers, I would say. It's of course good. It's really good. Okay. Let's go deep. For harvest snaps. Lightly salted. It's original green pea crisps. Not that much protein, but still 4 grams. Yeah. It doesn't seem that it's that bad. Ooh. Check this out. And we gotta eat it. Oh yeah. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. It's like if you look at it, it's like similar product, which is orange, but that one is actually really bad for health. This one is gluten-free, and it has nice 90 calories, and it has some protein, which is nice. It's good. I like it. So we have another fruit rolls. This one is berry, and also we got tropical punch fruit rolls. So basically we got three. Yeah, we got three fruit rolls. I am not gonna taste all 3, but you got the idea. It's different flavors. It's nice. So this is another one of the drinks. I would say this is a chocolate and I like chocolate, so definitely good. Too bad it's just one cup, but still good to have at least one. So we also got pure cinnamon, so I guess that's for the drink. And we got tea candy. It's nice. It's gonna be definitely good. Then also we got 2 candies, and it would take some time to actually eat it. So yeah, well, okay guys, okay. I said I'm gonna be testing the food, right? Not just showing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it looks like this. I guess that's some kind of bonus only. It's not even like written. Yeah, tastes like this type of candy. So yeah. All right. We got a biscuit from Gourmet Center Biscoff. It's really cool name. It's Biscoff. Also, guys, I think my next box this time, only think, that's my next box for October. Actually came sooner, so I think it's waiting for me on the post, but I'm not sure. So look like this, and I still have the candy. Let's eat it. Yeah, exactly what you expect from this type of cookie. Cool, thank you. I think this small stuff, like this and the candy and the tea thingy, I think that's like kind of a bonus. I don't think this is like the main thing. I think this is a bonus. All right. So we got nuts, almonds, babalu, and this is good. Nuts and almonds are good. All right, so let's see. It's with the salt, I think. Actually, so the salt is not that good, but yeah, almonds. All right, that's good. It's really good. I like it. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Actually, really nice. Like the flavor. And you don't feel the salt. You feel something different though, but still good. And the last thing, we got it twice. It's popcorners, white cheddar. Yeah, it's exactly the same. So let's open that up. So guys, oh my god, no, oh yeah, that's good, it's really good, that's really good. So guys, thank you for watching. I don't know if this is going to be a thing. I mean, I just finished 16th unboxing from Lootcrate. This is something new. I have no idea how to do this, even if this tasting is actually something worth looking. I don't know, but I have to say I was disappointed with the delay, but the snakes are good. This is probably the winner for sure. This is really good, really, really, really good. Oh, and we got another tea candy, and we helped to get some meal for some other unfortunate people, I guess. And yeah, this is really good. I like it. And yeah, although I on their website I see we should have got something else also, but I guess that's just a photo, you know. So guys, thank you for watching. I have no, like I said, I have no idea if this has become a thing. If this is something interesting, let me know, because believe me, I had this box for some time, and there were days when I was like, oh my god, just eat it, I'm hungry. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.